Hey y'all, happy Valentine's Day. Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to go and get, well, I'm going to Sunday morning. And that is a spot where they have like all these amazing Cinnabons. And I'm going to cook some food. I'm in the mood for fettuccine. So I think I'm gonna make fettuccine and I'm gonna make some garlic bread. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna cook. And I'm gonna watch, what's the movie? What's that movie? I think Relationship Goals with Kelly Rowland. I met that man. I was waiting until today to watch it, and it's beautiful outside. So if anybody is doing anything today, it is the perfect day to actually be outside, not because it's Valentine's Day, but just because it's nice outside. Hopefully they're not closed. They close at 4 o'clock, but it's almost 3:30. And hopefully it's not a line, because it's normally a line. But okay.
Habla mucho como de las constelaciones, de cómo la historia va trascendiendo a través de la psicología.
It's a line, and the guy just said that it might be sold out once we get inside, so I don't know. We'll see. That's what they say. In the park. Walking home. I was gonna get on the bus, but I said, freak it, let me walk.
I was expecting more.
Oh, lovers. Yeah. Well, y'all know I got the Cinnabon, but I didn't get the one that I wanted because they only had strawberry and blueberry. So, although I'm supposed to be going there for myself, of course I had to get everybody else one in the house. And you know, maybe I didn't. Maybe I should have just got one for myself. Like, it's okay to be selfish sometimes, but so not a selfish person that I have to learn how to be selfish. I really do. But oh, love is in the air. And let me tell you something. If you are single in New York City, one thing New York gonna do is shove hearts in your face, love in your face, couples in your face, holding hands in your face, kissing in your face, just spending time sipping coffee on the bench in your face. They're gonna shove it all in your face. But I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm not gonna eat it right away. I'm gonna go upstairs and start cooking. I'm not gonna record. I'm gonna show y'all my food, and then when I sit down, but probably after I eat, I'm not even gonna want a Cinnabon because I'll be so full. Maybe I'll watch the movie while I eat, or I don't know. I don't know. That's the indecisive stuff. I be telling y'all about. But let me get upstairs and get back to you guys. Love is in the air. Even she's singing to her baby. All right, obviously I'm back home, right? Let me tell y'all real quick. I did hair yesterday. I braided hair. And it was towards the evening time. And normally I don't do that. I don't braid hair after, I don't do anybody's hair after 4 o'clock. And that's because my kids are home from school. I have to be attentive to them. And Royalty is going to be herself. Mommy, I need this. Mommy, mommy, mommy. You know. And I don't want to go to nobody's house. And they kids is getting in the way of me getting my hair done. Because I'm paying for a service. So I try to give people that same respect. That's why I do hair during the mornings if I choose to do hair. But other than that, I did hair yesterday. So my back is hurting a little bit from the standing. But I'm alright. But I can feel a little something. Anyway, I finished cooking as soon as I came up. Upstairs, I started cooking right away. Here go my... Yep, got some chicken, some peppers. Got some garlic bread, because I put the garlic bread in there. Shall see. Got some garlic bread. Yeah. I'm about to put Royalty in the shower. Let her do her thing. Then I'm going to get in the shower. And then, y'all. I'm a little bothered that I couldn't get my pistachio. What is it, boo-boo? The pistachio Cinnabon. I love pistachios. If you love me and you want to do something for me, get me something with pistachio in it. I'm just saying. That's how much I love pistachio. So, I'm gonna eat, relax, and then I'm gonna get the itis. And I don't want to fall asleep on a movie. That could be an age thing that I'm getting older. I don't know. But I'm just gonna watch the movie while I eat. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to take a shower, and that's gonna be that. All right. Cinnabon, what they look like. Oh, I can't. My battery's too low for light, but I got a strawberry. Normally, I get the pistachio. She's smart. Wow. What do you want?
I'm sorry. Let me see your ear.
It hurts.
Let me see. I don't see no scratch.
It hurts. I can feel it.
So put a Band-Aid on.
Yeah, see how she is? Rude. When you ready to cut that light, you can cut it. Come on. Oh, it's dark in here. I like it like that.
Look at her.
I like it. What is husband doing?
No, you're not.
On his phone.
Nice person.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna lay down and relax and watch something on my television. I wish this girl get off of me. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below what you do for Valentine's Day. Like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you did for Valentine's Day. Or if you didn't do anything. Or if you just was home and it was simple. Like I said, every day is love day. It's supposed to spread love, pour love, make love if you can. All right, love y'all.